All right, we're gonna try Starry. I saw this in the store and I thought, what is that? What brand is this? I looked in the bottle and it says Pepsi. So I was like, so apparently Pepsi has discontinued Sierra Mist and they're trying something new to compete in the lemon lime soda category against Sprite and 7-Up. And it's called Starry. Now, when Sierra Mist first came out, I remember trying it at Taco Bell. They had like a promo saying, hey, try this new pop. And I remember really liking it. I think better than Sprite. Yeah, I would say better than Sprite. But then something changed. I don't know what they did. I don't know if they added like NutraSweet or something, or some natural flavoring. But they like rebranded as like, oh, this is the natural pop. It tasted bad. I mean, not bad. It was fine. It just wasn't as good. Anyway, so we'll see. Does this recover the original Sierra Mist flavor? Well, it tastes nothing like Sierra Mist. Let's find out. This just was released in January of this year. Here we go. Starry. Okay, it is a little bit Sierra Mist like. It's almost like you took Sierra Mist and Sprite and mixed it together. But there is one additional flavor that is slightly different. Yeah, right in the front end. It's quite tart. I think it's less tart. It's almost like deceptively tart. You know when you drink like the limoncello LaCroix, it has sort of this deceptive sweetness. This is sort of like deceptive tartness. As this flavor persists in your mouth, it does start to get more lemony. It sort of tastes like a mild lemon drop. Yeah. It is. There's this hard to describe Sierra Mist element that is there though. So I feel like when you first take it in, it tastes different than Sprite or Sierra Mist. Then it tastes like Sprite, and then it's got a Sierra Mist finish. Would I recommend it? I mean, if you like those kinds of pops, this is not too different and pretty good. So, Starry from Pepsi. This has been the first. More due soon, hopefully.